Hello guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video we're talking about how to enable and use the PNG extensions in Chrome. So for example, if you wish to download a quick photo or image from the internet and you don't want to dig into how to do this, and if you wish to do this exactly and straight in the browser without third-party tools, we can utilize a very simple Chrome Web Store extensions to achieve that. So let us go into the three dots right here. Then open up your extensions and then visit Chrome Web Store. Alright, and in here just type in PNG. And as you can see, we have multiple extensions here that allow us to work with PNG files. For example, as you can see, the most popular ones is Save Image as PNG, or just in general image downloaders, right? As you can see, also we have the WebP to PNG converter, so whatever you wish. So for example, if you want to go with this one, save image as PNG, you go here. So as you can see, adds a option to the right click menu, allowing you to easily save images in PNG format. So it's going to be like this. So this is also an image. Instead of save image as, you will get a different one. As you can see, save image as PNG. Add to Chrome, and then you're ready to use it. And you can also search up, of course, other PNG extensions, depending on what you want to do. And yeah, after that, you're pretty much good to go. Enjoyed the video, guys. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.